In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deposit money in JustMarkets. First, you will need to sign into your account, and once you have signed into your JustMarkets account, you will click on Funding from the left-hand side here. Click on Funding, and it's automatically going to take you to the deposit section, and you have a few different methods of depositing money. You can use your bank card, or you can use USDT. Here you have different cryptocurrencies which you can add to your account, and also you can do a wire transfer, which is going to be either instant or 1 day. So the easiest method of depositing money into your JustMarkets account is going to be bank card. So we're just going to click on that, and then you will have to choose your account, and the deposit method, again, you can change it from this screen. You can also adjust the currency here. For me, it gives me the option of USD or euros. And the last thing that you have to do here is provide your card number, the card holder name, expiration date, and CVV, as well as type the amount which you want to deposit into your account. Right here, it is going to just confirm it. And afterwards, you will click on deposit here at the bottom. And that is how you add funds to your JustMarkets account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.